Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel MBBS and BDS lectures. Today our topic is related to histology, identification points of colon per histology, practical and slide. There are three identification points of colon. Number one, there is no villi. In colon there is no villi. Number two, Tinea coli is present. And number three, much more goblet cells are present. These are the three identification points of colon for histology, practical and slide. I already upload the slide detailed explanation video on my YouTube channel. Go and watch that video. Now I will upload these identification points also. On my YouTube channel you can find general histology, special histology, slide detailed explanation video and each slide identification point also. If you like my video, press the like button and share these videos with your friends, and if you are new to my channel, subscribe my channel by pressing the red subscribe button and also press the bell icon to open the all notification for receiving my each new video notification. For watching my videos, I am very thankful to you. Thank you very much.